Well, hey there, guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, we've got another Retro Kenny rerun. Well, do I need to say it? You know the year, 2014, you know the project. We're in part 4, and that's what we're posting today. The folding chair slash stool, library chair, whatever you want to call it. It is part 4 of this build, and we're kind of wrapping things up here as we go along. But if you're interested in viewing that part 4, you just click right up here in this top right hand corner, and that will get you well on your way to viewing it. Guys, I want to thank you for tuning in this week. I hope you enjoy today's selection being part 4. I hope you're able to pull something positive out of that show, whether it be a tip or trick or just some kind of method that you never thought of before. And more importantly, I hope you're going to join me again next week when I bring you yet another Retro Kenny rerun.